Here's a fairly small double antique pine wardrobe we have for sale. It's a nice cornice top, and then 2 doors, and then bracket feet at the bottom. I think it's flat on top. Not tall enough to see. Yes, it is. Yeah, flat on top. It's nice, solid and sturdy. Dating from around about 1910, 1915 maybe. And you can see it's mounted on these external style hinges, sort of French style, and that means they open flush, so that might make a difference, just gives you a little bit of extra space if you're stuck. So this wardrobe totally dismantles for delivery, so it'll go up any stairway, and I deliver personally the wardrobes and put them together for you, so I can do that. I deliver to most areas of the country. And the internal depth is 19 inches, so there's hanging space 19 inches, so that should be fine for most things. And the code number is D0805E. The price is 900 as it is, 997 if you'd like it waxed. Both prices include the fitting of the hanging rail at the top. The height is 71 inches, the width, the widest part is 55.5. Depth at the deepest part, which is again at the top, is 22 inches. The internal depth, 19 inches.